हेलो पीपल, आई एम गरिमा भंडारी। वेलकम टू फिट तक। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे कीगल एक्सरसाइजेज, जिसकी प्रैक्टिस से हमारे पेल्विक फ्लोर की जितनी भी मसल्स हैं वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होती हैं, हमारे जो इंटरनल ग्लैंड्स हैं वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं एंड साथ ही साथ लोअर बैक में जो पेन की प्रॉब्लम है वो भी ठीक होती है। पोस्ट डिलीवरी यानी कि पोस्ट चाइल्ड बर्थ का जो पीरियड होता है वहाँ पर विमेन एनकाउंटर करती हैं बहुत सारे इमोशंस, स्पेशली पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन उनमें से एक है। एंड एट द सेम टाइम देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर टू रिड्यूस द बेली फैट और साथ ही साथ उनको प्रॉब्लम होती है लोअर बैक में पेन की। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। कीगल एक्सरसाइजेज ना सिर्फ आपकी पेल्विक फ्लोर मसल्स की स्ट्रेंथनिंग के लिए एक्सेलेंट है, बट ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम अगर आपको यूरिनरी ब्लैडर रिलेटेड एनी इश्यूज हैं, स्पेशली इनकॉन्टिनेंस, तो उसको भी ये ट्रीट करता है। सबसे पहले हम करेंगे लाइंग डाउन ऑन द फ्लोर। सबसे पहले हम अपने हैंड्स को प्लेस करेंगे अपने बॉडी के साइड में इस तरह से, विद आवर पाम्स फेसिंग डाउन, and we have to imagine that we are going to lift a piece of marble with our back and contract it. So Kegel exercises basically are all about muscle contraction and releasing. So as a beginner हम अपनी muscle को contracted रखेंगे for a count of 3, gradually taking and increasing that count to a count of 10. So let's see how we do it. Pushing the floor away from our hands, raising our hips like this and lifting our pelvic floor like this. By pushing the floor away from our hands and contracting and squeezing the glutes together and staying here for a count of at least 3 and releasing the muscle. So once again we'll do it for a count of 3 and gradually we'll see how we take it to a count of 10. So squeeze your entire glutes, rotate your thighs, engage your quads, all the weight of the body transfers to your shoulders, to the feet, and squeezing the abdominals. Excellent posture for strengthening your entire pelvic floor. Also improvising your bladder functions, strengthening your bladder, rectum, and come down. Now this time when we go up, we'll try to hold for a count of 10 before we release the muscle. So once again, recruiting all the strength of your core, lift up and stay here for a count of 10. Squeezing the hips really together, engaging the muscles. Feel a fire in your abdominals. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and lastly 1, and bring down. So this is an excellent move, and to add on one more move in this exercise, all you have to do is that first we come to the bridge position, the similar what we did right now, and after that simply raise one leg up. If you're a beginner, maybe you're able to raise it till here, but the idea is to bring it till here. Stay here, keep the glutes squeezed and come back to the floor. Similar concept applies here. We keep it raised for a count of 3 and gradually increasing it to a count of 10. As I said, Kegel is all about muscle contraction and muscle release. So once again, bridge position, and this time we take the left leg up, pointing the toes upwards towards the sky, squeezing the glutes really tight, bracing the abdominals. Stay here for a count of 3 and come down. Take a breather. Turn towards your left if you're a new mommy and return back to your center. So that was an easy set of pattern exercises which are called Kegel exercises, but these are not exercises just for women, guys. These are exercises for all genders, men and women both can practice it. And as I said, it is very good to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, improvise your urinal functions, and also अगर आपको incontinence की problem है तो उसको भी ये ठीक करता है। And to watch more such amazing, insightful exercise videos with me, Garima Bhandari, subscribe to FitTech Today on YouTube, like and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and keep it healthy.